Myself, Mansi Gorekar. I have organized this exhibition, Navratri exhibition, requesting all the Goan people to come and do support our local entrepreneurs here who are doing their small scale businesses. Please do come and support us. We are here at Kini Hotel from 1st to 3rd October. Our timings are 10 to 8. Please do come and do shop and even tell your friends also.
What are the products over here now?
We have wide range of saris. Then Navratri, 9 days we have that traditional things that we wear 9 different colors. So all that things you will get under one roof here. Eatables also, sweets, chocolates for Diwalis, then brass material for gifting, Diwali gifting purpose, then different types of crochets, handmade crochets, artifacts, kurtis, ready-made kurtis, saris, everything you get under one roof. Please do come. One small message I would like to give the women entrepreneurs or the homemakers. If you know something, try to teach it to other people also. Let that tradition goes to the other generation. Like suppose if we had that this bodri, that quilts and all. First, our grandmothers used to make all these things, but now even the young girls are coming in that. But some people they don't have that knowledge. If you know that, if the older people, if anybody is doing all these things, please try to teach them. If you want to take classes, if you all can even contact us for the same. And if you hobby turns in, they say hobby turns into entrepreneurship, hobby turns into business. So if you're really good in that, your hobby might turn into business and they will give you some money also. So please think on that.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम शिवानी सिंह है। मेरा ब्रांड नेम खजाना है। आज यहाँ पे हम एग्जीबिशन कर रहे हैं। ये एग्जीबिशन 3 दिन के लिए है। 1 तारीख से लेकर 3 तारीख तक, 1 अक्टूबर से 3 अक्टूबर तक किन्हीं होटल के बेस एक हॉल में है। और यहाँ पे सभी ने हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड बच्चों के प्रोडक्ट, साड़ीज, कुर्तीज़, ज्वेलरी और यहाँ पर ब्रास का भी मेटेरियल है। बहुत कुछ रखा है, डिफरेंट है। आइए देखिए और हमारा प्रोत्साहन कीजिए। धन्यवाद।
I have products home stitched from newborns till adult kids till 10 years. Apart from that, I also have crochet goods from gift items to centerpieces and decorative stuff. So we are currently running an exhibition or in an exhibition in Panjim in KU Hotel, and kindly invite you to visit us and go ahead and do a good purchase.
So I'm here at Shagun. This exhibition is on 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. The women here have got amazing stuff, and most of them have come out with something innovative. The message I would like to give everybody is don't just buy ready-made and resell, because that every shopkeeper is doing. We are coming to a women's exhibition to see women's work. So try to do something of your own. Okay, whatever you can do, little bit, your own touch should be there in your products, and that is what I would advise. And I've seen many creative products, and I ask everybody to please come and have a look.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.